Hello friends, welcome to Script Overflow channel. In this tutorial, we will learn JSON iterations. So before deep diving into the code, let's learn some key aspect of JSON. So JSON is denote to JSON object notations. It contains key value pair and you can store JSON objects into array and iterations only happen if the JSON is in array form. You can you can iterate key value, but in this tutorial we will add multiple objects in JSON array. Then we will go for iteration. So let's create a sample JSON array. So here is a students as an array, and we will create a first object where this is this object. So here, for example, name is uh, Rohit, and class 10th admission ID is 123. Okay, now it is a student one. Likewise, we can create multiple students. Okay, here we can change the name. Aman, Dhru, Keshav. Okay, admission ID 123, 124, 125, 126. Let's test this JSON array object in our console. Check it here. Now our JSON array created is student. If we type it, it will showing. Sorry, students. It is showing there are four objects listed in that student JSON array. We can check it. Yes, it is showing now. Time to iterations. So if you want to iterate, so you need to use each function. You have to write students, sorry, dollar dot each students, then function, then ev, and here you go console dot log e. So this code is uh, this code is denoting that iterate every object of students array. So here e will be the object, so it will iterate over the object. Now we will run this first. Let's see what is the value coming. So here you can say there are four uh, object displaying. Now what we want only the name should be visible. Okay, so here we are displaying only the name. Sorry, here we have to use v as index, p is index, and v is the object. So here we are saying that we need to represent only the student name. Now you can see here Rohit, Aman, and whatever the student we have defined, it's showing from the students array. Likewise, we can display every student class. So here we are displaying every student here 10th class. Likewise, admission, and here you can add multiple condition like if p dot admission id is equal to 126, then console.log p dot name, and within a loop you can add a if condition uh, which is showing that show me the name whose admission id is 126. Now just loop it. Now you uh, now you can see here is Keshav is showing. So you can see the code. Now let me recap it. So first of all, we uh, define the student objects array, JSON array, and we have added four students as an object. Here, this is an object. If anything you see in curly bracket, it will denote as object. If you see in big brackets, this is an array. So here you can see that we have created a for list, and a separator will be the comma. Then we iterate students array using $.each function. So this each functions takes uh, two argument. First is the array itself, and then is e and v. So here e will the index, and v is the student object, and you can just display the name by calling v dot name in console.log function. This will show you every name defined in the students array. And if you want to uh, show the name in a specific condition, then you can use if condition. For example, here I have defined that students having admission id is 126. I want to get the name. So then here I have added v dot admission id is equal to 126. Then show me the name, and here when I run the code, it's showing the Keshav. So here 126, and the name is Keshav. Hope you understood the code and concept of JSON object, and we will see you next tutorial. Thank you and have a good day.